What's up gamers? This is Ben from ROG. Today I'm glad to present our new 65% wireless mechanical keyboard, the ROG Falchion. Equipped with Cherry MX RGB switches, the ROG Falchion comes with a clean and neat 65% form factor design with dedicated arrow keys and function keys for productivity. The Falchion is loaded with the new ROG PVT double shot keycaps, providing great durability that reduces surface wear and also features better clicks and stability. This translucent cover case is just like a sheet for ROG Falchion. It protects your keycaps when you're on the go. Also, you can place the cover under the keyboard as a case, providing a different fuzzy lighting effect. The ROG Falchion features gaming-grade RF 2.4 GHz connectivity with almost no latency. It can also stay up to 400 hours of continuous battery life. The Falchion also supports wireless Aura Sync, providing you an epic lighting experience. The keyboard features an interactive touch panel, providing a real-time control possibilities such as volume adjustments, macros, or even shortcuts. The RGB LEDs built inside also work as a smart battery indicator. The ROG Falchion is not just an ordinary compact keyboard, but a combination of intricate and innovative engineering. If you love a minimalistic setup, the ROG Falchion is the perfect keyboard for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.
These are nice. These are very nice.
I don't know how you could get faster.
The most enthusiast level experience yet in a mass-produced gaming keyboard.
The Razer purple optical switches. They're that good.
So they have laser beams inside of them.
These optical switches are the best gaming-centric switches on any keyboard right now.
I love the new switches,
And this new upgrade just makes them even better.
I was completely surprised at how fantastic they felt.
When you're gaming, oh my god, that is going to make a big difference.
Overall, in my opinion, the Huntsman Mini is the best Razer keyboard that they've produced yet.
They've really listened to community feedback over the years. Razer is really the only company who are reaching out to reviewers and media and community.
Razer has really put forth a real contender for your money for a 60% keyboard.
The Razer Huntsman Mini is a solid recommendation.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.